Good morning, ma'am. I'm M. Hemant Kumar from AAA section, and this is my BEEE PPT presentation about block diagram description of a DC power supply. Block diagram description of a DC power supply. That is, and first of all, I would like to tell about introduction. A DC power supply is an electronic device that converts AC voltage to DC voltage. It is used to provide a steady and continuous power source to various electrical and electronic devices. The block diagram of a DC power supply consists of several key components, and we can observe the circuit in this diagram. An input AC supply is connected to the transformer, and transformer was connected by the four diodes, and it was connected to the capacitor, and output goes with the DC supply, and it called as DC supply output. And next one is transformer. The transformer is the first component in the block diagram. It steps down the high AC voltage from the mains to a lower AC voltage. It also provides electrical isolation between the input and output circuits. In this diagram we can observe the circuit, primary circuit, and the right one we can see secondary circuit, and the transformer on the upside. And we observe this these connections are connected to a bulb. And the next one is rectifier. The rectifier is responsible for converting the AC voltage from the transformer to DC voltage. It consists of diodes that allow the flow of current in the one direction only. It rectifies the AC voltage into pulsating the DC voltage. In this diagram, we can see the step downs in the transformer, and you can see the direction of flowing of current towards the PN junction diode, and then it coming to the load, and again direction of flow of current to the PN junction diode. We can see that three diagrams of high voltage AC supply, and the next one is low voltage AC supply, and last one is low voltage DC supply. Filter. The filter is used to smoothen the pulsating DC voltage obtained from the rectifier. It removes the ripples of fluctuations in the output voltage. It consists of capacitors and inductors that store and release electrical energy. We can see in the diagram capacitor voltage and rectified waveform. We can mention that in V out and T. And the next one is voltage regulator. The voltage regulator is used to maintain a constant output voltage. It compensates for any variations in the output voltage or load conditions. It ensures its stable and reliable DC output voltage. We can see in the diagram amp series voltage regulator. And the next one is control circuit. The control circuit monitors and controls the operation of the power supply. It provides feedback to the voltage regulator for adjusting the output voltage. It protects the power supply from overvoltage, overcurrent, and short circuit conditions. And the next one is output stage. The output stage of the DC power supply is where the regulated DC voltage is obtained. It provides the final DC voltage to the load or the device to be powered. It may include additional protection circuitry such as fuses or current limiters. In this diagram, we can see the images of transformer, rectifier, filter, regulator, and these are input AC supply and low voltage AC supply, and the next one is rectified DC supply, and the side one is filtered DC supply, and the last one is regulated output DC supply. And we can see the diagrams in transformer input waveform, and the next one is transformer output waveform, And the next one is rectifier output waveform, and the next one is filter circuit output waveform, and the last one is regulator output waveform. Next one is cooling system. Some DC power supplies incorporate a cooling system to dissipate heat in a heat generated during operation. It may include fans or heat sinks to prevent overheating of the components. Proper cooling is essential for the reliable and efficient functioning of the power supply. In this figure, we can see the common cooling methods for AC and DC to DC power supply design. Next one is control interface. The control interface allows the user to adjust and monitor the power supply parameters. It may include knobs, switches, or digital displays for voltage and current settings. Some power supplies also offer mode control options for automated applications. Summary. In summary, a DC power supply consists of a transformer, rectifier, filter, voltage regulator, control circuit, output stage, cooling system, and control interface. These components work together to convert AC voltage to regulated DC voltage. Understanding the block diagram helps in troubleshooting and designing efficient power supply systems. We can see the AC to DC converter in the diagram. Thank you, ma'am, for giving this opportunity. Thank you.